Hey, Ressio users, this is Marie here. I am going to quickly go over attaching files in Approvals tab. So here I'm at the Approvals tab under the Darling Dream Home, and as you can see, I'm under the All. Of course, you can go into change orders, proposals, purchase orders, whatever you need to do, but I just want to show you how you can quickly attach files. Let's say you want to attach a new choice on your appliances. Anywhere where you see the paper clip, it says manage files, you can attach a file. I clicked on the clip and it came out. And as you can see, it's under the files tab, under the appliances. And this is where I can go down and choose from where I want to get that file from. And you can also go to save link from web. So that's one way. Another way is if you go directly into something like a proposal, and you need to attach a file, you're going to scroll all the way down and you'll find this on all documents or releases, bid requests that you need to send out. You will go all the way down to the file section, and it can either be customers or internal. And again, you can choose where you're going to drop your files, browse files, or get a save link from web. So I just want to quickly go over that of where you can attach files. I hope you found this helpful. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your customer success coach.